What is happening, guys? So it's been a wild ride. It's been an interesting year. A lot of things have changed. A lot of cool, amazing opportunities, and life kind of got spicy as I was kind of entering this chapter of my life. Quick recap, I don't want to bore you. I'm more so here to tell you about future plans, what we have in store, and where my car is, which is really cool. Obviously, I quit my job, right? That was the last update. A few months, I actually ended up landing a really dope opportunity that I'm actually working with and for, how do I say, a large gaming, I work with a large gaming company, and I do a lot of cool work for them. So my life kind of shifted to focus on my family, focus on my career, and I'm happy. Like, everything worked out great. We bought a house. We have a really nice house now. Yeah, it's like, kind of like a whole year just flew right on by. The last year I've been like putting together like art pieces of just like really focused on learning different tasks. And I built a couple guns, I built a couple like weapons, vehicles, etc. I kind of put the Go Cars project on hold because I was trying to get an understanding of this new position and if I can dive into something grand and a big dream. But a year and some change later, I have a really good grasp on it, and that's kind of where we're at now. The last 5 months, I've been putting together kind of like the first side project. I kind of went all in for it. It's just, the whole idea is just for me. And I just wanted to put something together that utilizes a lot of the new skills I have with like 2D motion graphics and a lot of just VFX stuff I've learned in the past year or so, just constantly nonstop doing it. And that's what this project is. So I put together this project. It's called Low Battery. It's about a boy that escapes a institution to kind of chase his dreams and be on his own. And essentially he's like a graffiti artist. I kind of leaned on like Astro Boy mixed with Pinocchio, mixed with some life experiences. And it kind of started where I was like, I want to kind of create a robotic boy that has LED lenses for eyes. And like it kind of just started there. I was like, what would be cool is if I create a character that has 2D motion graphics elements, 2D motion graphic elements on a 3D animated character. It kind of sent me into a whirlwind of creating different characters. I created the boy, which I was super pumped about, and I was like, well, he needs a companion. So I developed a little dog toolbox named Naki as his watchdog / companion in this fight, as well as some police drones, which I'm super pumped on, all those assets. And yeah, I just put together essentially like, I kind of went with the route where it's like super punk, like tech meets graffiti with a splash of punk, and there's no rules as far as like from a artistic standpoint. Like I just kind of like was super free when I was editing / doing the VFX, and just wanted to explore and have a grand old time. So that's a lot what this project is. It's just simply me having fun, and at every step of the way, from modeling to rigging. I learned so much about rigging, to animating, to putting a previs cut together, to VFX and etc. So I'm super pumped about it. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is just like a quick stop in this journey, and I want to give you guys a car update's coming soon. Not soon like in a couple of days, but soon. It's at my homie's shop, and it is getting the works. Like, it is getting a quick rundown, pretty much a whole new setup, turbo setup, and engine management, fuel, like everything, like literally everything that could be updated. I'm still keeping it KA, but it's beautiful. It's going to be sick. I got a new kit for it. I got new seats. I'm gonna essentially redo everything, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to still maintain as much car content just because I'm super busy, but I wanted to make sure that car was ready and willing when the time comes. So it's a long journey, but all right guys, I'm gonna call it here. I just want to make a quick update. Hopefully I covered everything. If not, all good. I'll make another one. I appreciate you guys watching, supporting, as always. Yeah, make sure you like this video because I'm gonna make a run soon. I'm gonna go graduate, finish this up, go graduate college, finish up a couple, and then just go all in with Go Cars. It just feels right. It feels like the project for my life for the next 5 years or more. It's just minimum 5 years. I always stop at like 3 or 4. But all right, guys, I'll let you go some. Nice. I forgot to do an outro, but yeah, I'm not sure when this animated features short will drop. I'm trying to figure it out. I think 27th, give or take. But I'm still trying to figure that out now. I just completely, while I was editing and a couple days go by, I never did an outro. But here it is. Holla at your boy, son. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it when it comes out. I'll probably make another video, hopefully.